In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay bill in Square. First, log into your Square dashboard. Once you're in, look at the left-hand side panel. That's where you'll navigate for everything we're about to do. Open the section labeled Orders and Payments. From there, select Bill Pay to access your bill management tools. On the Bill Pay page, choose Pay Bills, then click Pay a Bill to start creating a new payment. You'll begin by entering the bill details. Add a clear description so you and your team can recognize this bill later. Next, enter the bill amount exactly as shown on the invoice. Double check for cents to avoid overpaying or underpaying. Then add the vendor. If the vendor already exists in your directory, select them. Otherwise, create a new vendor profile so you can pay them again easily in the future. Choose the payment frequency. For most invoices, one time is perfect. But if this is a repeating expense, set the appropriate frequency so Square can keep you on schedule. Select the due date next. This helps you schedule payment at the right time and avoid late fees. Assign a category to the bill to keep your reporting and bookkeeping clean. Picking consistent categories now saves a lot of time during reconciliation. You'll see two optional fields, invoice number and message for vendor. Add an invoice number if you want tighter matching between your records and the vendors. Use the message field for short notes like a PO number or a quick clarification. If you have backup documentation, upload an attachment such as a PDF or image of the invoice. Having the file attached makes approvals and audits easier. When everything looks good, click Next. If you're still gathering details or need someone to review, you can save as draft or choose Next to proceed to payment. Now add your payment method, link or select the account you want to pay from. Then choose the payment delivery. You can send an ACH bank transfer, which is typically faster and electronic, or mail a paper check. ACH is great when the vendor has bank details on file. If you pick a paper check, verify the mailing address and allow time for delivery. Schedule the payment so it processes on the right date, either today or close